Hello everyone, I'm Varsha and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. As you all know, the series is all about the prominent achievers of our country who has made India proud in some way or the other. The main focus of our series is to make you all know about the achievements and success of our prominent guests. So today we have with us Mr. Gopinath Reddy, who is the co-founder and CEO of Edorial Learning Solutions Private Limited. But before we actually move ahead in the conversation with him, let's have a look at a very small video which will tell you about what we actually do.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hello, Mr. Reddy, how are you?
I'm good, Varsha. How are you? Thank you.
I'm good, sir. Thank you so very much. Okay, so before we actually start the session, please tell us something about you and your profession.
Thank you, Varsha. This is GN Reddy. I'm the founder and CEO of Edorial. I came from a middle class family from a village near Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. I studied in a rural engineering college. So after that, I got a job in software industry. I worked as a software engineer for 4 years in different companies. And I know the struggle of engineering students, especially in the rural areas. So they are struggling due to lack of proper guidance and support. So, and also, like, I'm very passionate and curious about the education and its impact on the society. So if we can treat the root causes of the problems in the country, then we can change or impact the country in a better way. That's why I wanted to work on the problem on education. So I resigned my job, a well-paying job, in 2017. I started working on this idea to help engineering students and colleges. So that's how my journey began.
Okay, so how did this idea of actually getting into this business came into your mind, Mr. Reddy?
Varsha, so from the beginning, I'm very curious about education and its impact on the society. I want to create legends, like, every kid in this country can become a legend. Uh, for example, if you take Sachin Tendulkar, A.R. Rahman, so how they became legends. So they chose what they want early in their life, and they got good guidance and support. They passionately and consistently worked on their career. They loved what they did. So if we can provide the same kind of support, if we can provide the guidance, and if we let every kid choose their field early in their career, if we can guide them, inspire them, then we can produce legends. That's how I think. Like, I want to see every kid as legend in this country. From my childhood, I used to watch inspirational stories. In fact, I want to be the best. I want to inspire students. So from the beginning, I am very passionate about education along with the business. So I want to create the best product. Like, why can't we create best business out of India, like global businesses like Google, Facebook, and all. So that's how I'm very passionate about business, Varsha. Yeah.
Okay, amazing. So, Mr. Reddy, it's like, life is not a bed of roses for any one of us. So, talking about the challenges that you have faced, how did you actually dealt with those challenges in your journey?
Yeah. So for anyone, there will be challenges when they are starting newly in their career. and when they take a step that normally everyone will not take, right? So if you are taking something which is not conventional, everyone will oppose. Similarly, I got the opposition from friends and family, like, why you are resigning to your high paying job? Instead, you can continue and settle and marry, and after that you can do your business. But I want to start this as early as possible, so that I can help younger generation very much. So that's how I started, the opposition from friends and family. And also, as we are not conventional business family, we lack of funds initially. I started with my friends. We lack of funds, connections, guidance, and support. So that's how every businessman will start with challenges when they are starting up, right? So that's the same thing.
Amazing. Okay, so kindly elaborate about the product and services that your organization offers.
Yeah, sure, Varsha. Like we are providing, we are helping engineering colleges provide inspirational and quality animated video courses to their students, and also we are creating the largest learning community, so that any student will ask questions and their professors can answer. So it's like a community. How Facebook is connecting friends, we are connecting all the learners in the world. So we want to be the best and the largest learning community. So everyone can join and ask questions, take the guidance from the experts, especially in the engineering community. They lack guidance from the experts. They join, but they read theoretical subjects, academic subjects, but when they come into industry, they lack guidance. So if we can provide industry related guidance from the first year, they read and they learn every concept in a better way. So we want to provide industry guidance and the learning community and the well researched animated video courses, so that teachers and students learning time will be reduced. Yeah. So we are essentially we are creating social learning community where students will get video courses. Yeah.
Okay, so talking about the future goals, how does the future of your organization look like? I mean, what are your future plans for the organization?
Yeah. So the thing is, like, we want to get more educators into the platform. We created a platform where everyone can put their courses. We want to connect with the experts, and we want to get great video courses to the platform, and they joining the platform will differentiate the other platforms, right? So if we can have experts in the platform, they provide better guidance. So we want to get bloggers, great experts, industry experts onto the platform, and we want to improve the catalog of the course catalog of Edorial, and provide better solutions for the students. Yeah, mainly we want to increase the number of experts and number of users and the course catalog. Yeah.
And I'm sure you will be coming out as a rising stars in these plans of yours too. Okay, so moving ahead, as our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has announced the Self-Reliant India movement to combat the COVID-19 crisis. So what are your views on it, and also how is your organization working towards it?
Yeah, it's self-reliant reliance nation. So this is what every nation wants, right? So as of now, if we provide better guidance to the next generation with the right kind of education, right kind of skills, so next generation will easily pick up and create the projects, like they innovate, they do projects that India needs. And become self-reliant. So the concept of Atmanirbhar Bharat is really what we need at this time. it's a great opportunity for India to reinvent itself, Varsha. Yeah, it's a great concept, and we are working towards that. We are enabling students with technology and skills. So students will use, and colleges will use these technology and the new kind of courses, so that they will be innovative. They create new products, innovative products and technology. Yeah.
So now there is this one question I, personally want to get the answer for, and that is, what are your feelings on winning this Indian Achievers Award?
Yeah, it's recognition from a great organization. Recognition for entrepreneurs is always a very happy moment, and I really love this award. And I'm very happy. I'm very emotionally connected to this award, and it's a great encouragement for entrepreneurs like me to do even more to this country, and it's a great help and encouragement. I'm honored, and my friends and family, everyone are really happy for this. Yeah.
And you truly deserve this. Okay, so moving ahead, talking about the CSR activities, tell us a bit about your social contribution.
Yeah. So as we are contributing to the student community, so we are providing discounted courses to the poor and passionate students. So we want to provide better guidance. We want to encourage the passionate, underprivileged students who are not having enough financials. So we want to encourage them. So that is what we are planning for.
Okay, so before concluding our lovely session, what mantra or message you would like to give to our today's generation, who wish to be an entrepreneur someday?
Yeah, it's a great question. Everyone who are having aspirations to become an entrepreneur, first they have to choose what they love. If they love what they do, like any challenges they can face, and it's not a easy journey. Running a startup is not an easy thing. So they have to face uncertainties daily. And getting the great team, and having a vision and execution of everything. So and running a startup and running a team initially is not a small thing. So unless and until you have passion and vision for your business, and the differentiation, like there are many competitors will be there for what you are doing or what you are going to do. So first we have to differentiate ourselves. We have to provide value to the customers. So if we can ensure the customer satisfaction, so that's the greatest thing. So end of the day, every business needs a paying customer. So first, if we can find the paying customer, and if we are passionate about what we are doing, and if we can differentiate ourselves, that would be that would be the key for success.
Absolutely, Mr. Reddy. Okay, so thank you so very much for your time, and I wish you all the very best for all your future goals, and may you continue to inspire us the way you are doing. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Pleasure is all mine, Varsha. Thank you so much for this lovely opportunity. Thank you.